Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a new user. I'm going to show you how to create a new user. This is one of the very first steps to be followed when you set up a new org. Click on Setup here. Under the Administer panel, click on Manage Users and under this link, click on Users. This is where you can see all the users who are using this org. The users that you see here presently are the sample ones created by us to give you an idea of how our org functions in real time. To create a new user, click on the button New User. This takes you to the page where you can create a new user. To successfully create a new user, you have to fill in all the fields that are marked in red. These are the mandatory field values that have to be entered. Enter the first and the last names. The alias value gets filled in automatically based on the first name and the last name. Enter the email address of the user. Enter the username for that user. This may be the same as the email address or anything different. However, this has to be in the form of an email address. The nickname gets auto-populated based on the first and last names. The nickname appears in Chatter chat representing the user. You will know what is Chatter in just a few minutes. Select the user license from the drop-down menu here based on the need of the application. If you want the user to have full access to this org, then select the option Salesforce. Select from the profile drop-down menu options the role that you want to assign to the user. For example, the system administrator has all rights to the org like read, write, edit, and delete rights. You can fill in the other fields too, but these are not mandatory. Click on the Save and New button to save this user and to create a new one, or click on the Save button to only save this user. To reset the password for any user, click on the name of the user and then click on the Reset Password button here. You can also make any user inactive. Click on the name of the user and then on the Edit option. Uncheck the Active box to make the user inactive. You can transfer this user to a new user and activate this account again. This new user's name can be viewed under Manage Users here. Or at any point of time, you can make this user active again by checking on the Active box. However, this feature can be used only by a person who has system administrator rights to XenonPMO. There is an easier way to enter more than one user simultaneously. Click on the Add Multiple Users button to do that. Here, you can also view the number of available user licenses for all types of licenses. Select the user license from the User License drop-down menu and then fill in all the necessary information and click on the Save button. Now I'll tell you about the Chatter feature of XenonPMO. Chatter is a social networking site within your organization for the active users of Xenon RTM. This is the place where you post files or share documents, like or comment on similar posts, newsfeed, or official documents. This is more or less like Twitter or Facebook, which helps you connect with the people in your organization and an easy way to know everything that's happening around you or in the records that you're interested in. Chatter can be used for both professional and personal use within your organization.